Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webhooks testing with Stripe CLI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with installing Webhooks testing using Stripe CLI, you need to ensure you have the latest version of the Stripe CLI installed on your machine. First, if you haven't already, download the Stripe CLI from the official Stripe website. Once the download is complete, follow the installation instructions for your specific operating system. For macOS users, you can install it using Homebrew by running the command brew install stripe/stripe CLI/stripe. If you are using Windows, you can install the Stripe CLI by downloading the executable file and following the prompts. After installation, open your terminal or command prompt. Now, to authenticate the Stripe CLI with your account, type the command stripe login. This command will redirect you to your browser, where you can log in to your Stripe account. Once logged in, return to your terminal to set up a webhook. To do so, use the command stripe listen forward to localhost your_port/your_webhook_endpoint. Replace your _port with the port number your application. After running this command, you should see a message indicating that the Stripe CLI is listening for events. Next, to test your webhook integration, you can send events to the endpoint by using the command stripe trigger event_name. Replace event_name with the specific event you want to test, such as payment_intent.succeeded. The Stripe CLI will then simulate that event and forward it to your specified webhook endpoint. Finally, check your application to see if it received the webhook as expected, and verify that the response is handled correctly. With that, you've successfully set up webhook testing using the Stripe CLI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.